You see? Yeah, let's go.
I work hard every day, I work hard every day,
Whoa, what is good, everybody on YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy, The Real One, back again with another banger for you guys, The Real Ones and all of YouTube. This is my little brother, and you're probably wondering why he's here today. We have packages. Yep, that's right, you guys. This is an unboxing video of this past Friday. As you know, it was Black Friday, right?
Right.
And we took advantage of some sales. Not too many items. Didn't go crazy. Got a couple of things that I wanted. Got him something as well because I know he needed it. Winter is here. It is cold as fuck. Okay? Cold as fuck. So, you know, I just wanted to get us some slight stuff. Wanted to try some stuff out just to see how it would go. So, today, we have 2 packages. And let's unbox them. Actually, guys, this first one right here is from NOLA. And I'm using a regular ass box cutter to open this motherfucker. So let's get to it. So, alright, Marty, what do we got here, man? What do we got?
We got some sweat joggers from NOLA. We got the black hair with the white stripes on here. Take a look. Look at this.
Yeah, man, that's premium.
With the zipper at the
zipper
bottom.
on the side. You know what I'm saying? Long strings.
No strings. All
These are
that.
pretty cool. These look pretty nice.
It has
Pockets.
back pockets.
Got side pockets as well.
It has side pockets as well.
These are pretty dope.
Pretty
I might
looking
get a
good.
little on-body review of these, personal. You know, something more, a little bit more personal. So that might be a separate video. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? So, yeah.
And we got the Choco joggers here.
Alright. So we got the Choco colorway with the black stripe on there. Nice tinted gray color.
Gray
nice
color.
chocolate. Nice
Olive.
deep chocolate. You know what I'm saying? I keep saying chocolate. Nice, the dark,
Choco.
nice dark chocolate color. That black stripe right there, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Same thing. We got the
same thing.
long, you know, the long strings attached.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? That stripe on the side, pockets on the back, pockets on the side. You know what I'm saying? These are sure to be nice. And it's some nice hardy material both of these are made out of. Both of these are made out of some nice materials. You know what I'm saying? I might have Marty do it on body because this is his pair. The black and white ones are my pair. Y'all know how I get down. You can't go wrong with the black and white. You feel what I'm saying? On to the next box. This right here, man, as you can see, got these. I have it right?
For
There
Journey.
we go. As you can see, I got these for Journeys, man. Journeys, appreciate y'all for hooking the boy up. You know what I'm saying? This came in super duper quick. Came in within the time they said it was supposed to come in. But let's get into it.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
Alright, you guys, you can see feline box. Super dope feline box. You can probably tell what this is by the box, but if you don't know, this is the feline Ray Tracer size 10 US. You know what I'm saying? Men's colorway. We got that varsity blue, the gray, and the black pair. You know what I'm saying? So these bad boys. Ooh,
Look at that.
Look at that. That's crispy. These a lot. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, feline Ray Tracers. Fire. If you're sleeping, you're sleeping. These are fire. But yeah, you guys, that is it. You know what I'm saying? That's it for the video. Appreciate Marty for stopping through. He's gonna be in a lot more of my pickup videos and a lot more of my vlogs. You know what I'm saying? Choco pair, black and white pair, review coming along with the Ray Tracer. You know what I'm saying I'm just dropped another separate video of a review on feet, on body with these things right here. These things are fire. They're comfortable. They feel very thick. The quality, the material is very quality. Feels like these gonna keep me warm during the winter time. So shout out to Fashion Nova for these. Shout out to Journeys for giving me my shoes in a very fashionable time. I might be the first person to drop a review on these things. So be on the lookout, man. Don't sleep on your boy. And if you haven't already, you guys, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys let me know if you want to see more unboxings in the future. We will be buying more stuff. I will be cutting back on buying stuff as well. You know what I'm saying? We got some stuff going on, so you know what it is. You know what I'm saying? But that is the video, man. Make sure you like,
comment, and subscribe.
You feel what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that bell so you can get your notifications. Become a real one today, man. I appreciate all my day one followers. Shout out to all of y'all. Anybody who is in my 100 followers, you know what I'm saying? All the new people, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you smack the like button as well. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure you refer your friends. Share this video everywhere on your Facebook, your Twitter. Also, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that stuff. I'll probably leave all that. I'm going to leave all that down in the description below. But let me get up out of here. This intro is way too long. You know what I'm saying? We're going to catch you guys in the next video. Stay rare, simply rare.